Hello friends. Today's project is wireless OTP firmware updation system. We will send firmware updates to the IoT devices via Telegram bot wirelessly. Here we will develop a Telegram bot for this purpose. To design this circuit, we have used this button board. You can use any ESP chip development board that supports Telegram bot. Our board is connected to the laptop right now, but we will not upload code via wires. We will upload code to this board via Telegram bot. Let me show you the demonstration first. This is our code. First step is to export this file as a compiled binary file. Now let's go to the Telegram bot, select this binary file and upload it to the Telegram. This is a ChatGPT firmware on Telegram bot developed by me. I am sending this firmware to the button board via Telegram bot wirelessly. I have clicked on upload and sent the firmware. The device will cross-check if you really want to upload this firmware to the device. Click on flash and upload will start. Once it is flashed, it will inform you that firmware is updated to that particular device. To develop this project, you need to have any development board that is ESP chip based. To develop the Telegram bot, go to the Telegram site and follow the steps given. I am not telling this here in detail as the process might change with time. Here you will get correct information. You can also follow the project IoT camera that can chat on electronicsforyou.com and create your Telegram bot. Here you can also see how to get the API key for the bot you created, which we will be using further in our code. Once the Telegram bot is generated and you have the API keys, let us move on and see how to develop the system. We have written code in Arduino IDE. The library we are using here is async-telegram.h. Kindly install this first on the Arduino IDE from the library manager. In these lines, mention SSID and password of the Wi-Fi network to which your device is connected, over which you want to send the firmware update. Here put the API key for the Telegram bot. I have also added one LED to the circuit for representing firmware updates on the device. This is optional. Once this article is published on the web, you can download this code from there. This code will work on all ESP chips. Once you did these changes in our code, it is now ready for use. Along with the OT code, you also have to add your code which you want to send. Here add libraries of your code. Now in the setup function, add your code here. This function is to connect with the Telegram bot. Inside the loop you can add your code here. We have kept blanks here since we are providing OTA firmware update code via Telegram bot. Upload the OTA firmware update code on your board so that whenever you send an update via Telegram, the device is ready to accept that wirelessly. Now you are all set. Remove your development board from the laptop. Whatever code you want to upload wirelessly, export bin file for that and send it to the Telegram bot. If you want multiple people to upload firmware, then you can also generate a QR code and share it with other people who want to send some wireless update. This is all about this project. We hope you liked it. Do implement this project at home and let us know your experience.